New indicator available. BB Dynamic Price Signals was designed to extend those winning trades and maximize profit. Super simple to use for any level of trader. The main purpose for this highly formulated indicator is to identify key levels of interest using dynamic and historical data combined. This indicator will plot a red X above each candle when conditions have been met for spot-on signals. To keep things simple, we look at the first X in a series as the enters extended zone alert. This means that if we see the first red X and haven't taken our trade yet, we will want to reduce our size as the price is considered extended. Once the second red X has been plotted, this is the signal to exit our position and secure profit. Once the second red X has been plotted, it will also create a pivot zone. If the price closes above this pivot zone, this can be considered a bullish signal and continuation is expected. Now, what if I get in before the first red X has plotted? Great question. This strategy looks to secure profit when those red X's appear. If we enter the position before the first red X, then it is a good idea to secure profit into both the first and second red X. But wait, that's not all. We always have the trader's time in mind when designing these indicators and strive for efficiency. To set alerts that can be sent directly to your email, phone, or TradingView charts, click the three dots next to the indicator and select Add Alert on BB Dynamic Signals. There is 4 options to set alerts. Each alert will identify when conditions are met. This allows us as traders to set it and forget it. If we get the alert, it's trade time. Did I mention this indicator has a built-in function to look for bounce watch areas in real time? Oh yeah. Set the bounce watch 1 and 2 alerts and watch the magic happen. This indicator is available today in our custom indicators library. Go to invite only scripts and select BB Dynamic Price Signals to add this to your chart. Want to try this indicator out? Like, share, subscribe, and comment below for your free trial today. Join Bullish Bob live Monday through Friday and take your trading to the next level. What are you waiting for?